Okay, so continuation sa solution ng assignment number 2 natin, no? Okay, so again, find an equation. Ang tanong dito, class, is we have to find an equation in the form of y equals mx plus b. So again, no, dapat ang answer natin must be in the form of y equals mx plus b. Actually, guys, this is y-intercept form, no? That is the equation of the line. Ang y equals mx plus b is also equation of the straight line, where our m is slope and b is the y-intercept. So meaning ang y-intercept, x must be 0. Can you follow? So, ang x at saka y, yun na yung set ng point na mag-form siya ng line. Right? So, again, ang m is the slope of the line and b is the y-intercept. So, meaning, ang y-intercept, again, your x must be equals to 0. Example, no? Explain natin ulit. Meron tayong y-axis, meron tayong x-axis. And then, for example, meron tayong line. Line? Let's say ganon. Yan. So, eto, nandito, class, ang x natin at this point that crosses y-axis. No? Ang line natin that crosses y-axis. So, meaning, ang x natin dito is 0. Then, meron tayong certain value ng y, which is already your b. Okay? Did you follow? Ayan, no? So, ito, class, ang y-intercept. And then, kasi this one is y-axis. Lagyan natin ng y. Okay, this is y-axis, then this is x-axis. So, ito, dito naman, no? Okay, yung line natin that crosses x-axis, ang tawag dito, class, is x-intercept. So, pag x-intercept, your y is 0. Pag y-intercept, your x is 0. Okay, sulat natin na para clear. Again, no, ang y-intercept, okay, ang ibig sabihin ng y-intercept, class, meaning your x is 0, then mayroong certain value ng y. Or, yan na, class, ang b, no? 0 and b. Okay? Then, ang x-intercept, meaning, ang line natin crosses x-axis. Okay? So, pag crosses x-axis, meaning, ang y natin is 0. Then, meron tayong certain value ng x. So, yan ang ibig sabihin ng x-intercept. So, clear ba tayo? Okay. So, ulitin ko ang tanong. No? Find an equation y equals mx plus b. Ano ba gusto niya, class? Of the tangent line. So, ang gusto niya is we have to find an equation of the tangent line. That must be in the form of y equals mx plus b. Again, our m is the slope of the line. So, meron mang slope ito, no? Yung rise over run. Ayan. Diba? Merong certain theta dito. So, this is actually rise. Then, sa baba niya is run. No? Run. So, slope m is actually rise over run. Definition niya ng slope. Okay, rise over run. Or what? So, I will remove this one. Oops. Okay, or slope m, di ba? Okay, so how will you get this distance? That is actually y2, no? Minus y1 sa negative 0, x2 minus x1. And that is the formula for the slope, no? By the definition of slope, that is rise over run. Again, if you are also using tangent theta, di ba? Nasama yung theta natin dito, no? Di ba? Opposite over adjacent. So, ano ba yung opposite niya? Di ba? Rise. And then, ang adjacent niya is run. So, meaning, Your tangent theta is the same as slope m, or actually this is referring to pag sa differential calculus, that is actually dy over dx. So ang dy over dx is just a slope m or tangent theta. Okay? So ulitin ko, no? Ulitin natin ang tanong. Find the equation in y equals mx plus b form of the tangent line to the graph of f of x. So may binigay siya na graph which is f of x equals what? X cubed minus 2x plus 1. Diba? Ang graph niya is f of x equals what? Equals x cubed, ano ba yan? X cubed minus 2x plus 1. Okay? So, x cubed minus 2x plus 1. So, pag i-graph natin ito, class, using graphing calculator, ang outcome niya is a curve. Kasi naka-cube na ang exponent. Hindi na yan siya line, curve na yan. Okay. So, may binigay siya na graph, equation of the graph, which is f of x equals x cubed minus 2x plus 1. So, ang f of x, class, palitan natin ng y. Pareho lang yan. X cubed, diba? Minus 2x plus 1. Okay. Okay, x cubed minus 2x plus 1. Alright? So, ano ba ang, ulitin natin ang tanong. Find an equation of the tangent line to the graph of f of x. F of x equals x cubed minus 2x plus 1. So, sa letter B tayo, no? Tapos na ang letter A. Tangent at what point? Tangent at negative 1 and 2. So, saan ba yung class? Nag-graph natin, no? I-graph natin. Okay, so mag-draw tayo ng x-axis. And then y-axis. I mean, y, x and y, no? This is your x and this is your y-axis. So, tangent at what? Tangent at negative 1 to negative 1. Saan banda ang negative 1? Okay, banda dito negative 1, no? Negative 1, then 2, 1, 2. So, nandito plus ang point negative 1. Sorry. Mali. Negative 1, 2. Our x is negative 1. Mali ito, mali. Okay, our x is negative, sorry. Our x is negative 1, then y is 1, 2. So, at this point, nandiyan class ang alin? Negative 1 and 2. Assuming ang tangent line natin, okay, assuming ganyan ang tangent line natin, no? Dumaan siya sa 1 and 2, and then let's say nandito ang curve. Paano ba? Assuming, sorry, ang curve na y equals x cubed minus 2x plus 1. Okay, so assuming na nandito class ang point of tangency, which is binigay sa question negative 1 and 2. So ano ba gusto na ipahanap, class? Ang gusto na ipahanap is the equation of the what? Equation of the line, no? Equation of the line. Ito to. Tangent line ang tawag dito kasi it touches, no? At one point sa curve, which is negative 1 and 2. So ang tawag sa line na to is tangent line. It is still, no? Straight line pa rin yan, no? Pero naka-define lang na tangent line kasi it touches, nakatouch ito class sa curve sa isang point which is negative 1 and 2 sa curve na curve na x cubed minus 2x plus 1. So assuming ang green na to, ito ang curve na y equals x cubed minus 2x plus 1. So ang gusto ng tanong ng question is we have to find the equation of this tangent line. Okay, in the form of what? Y equals mx plus b. Alright? So, again, ang m is the slope, ang B is the y-intercept. It crosses y-axis, no? So, meaning 0 ang x. Unahin natin muna ang slope. How will you solve for the slope m? So, makikita mo class, may binigay, no? For slope m. For m. No. Yan. Of the tangent line. The slope of the tangent line. Ang m dito class, is the slope of the tangent line. Pero, it is not possible to solve for the slope of the tangent line kasi no, ang given isang point lang. Dito tayo sa curve. Pwede natin kunin ang slope ng curve kasi may binigay na equation which is y equals x cubed minus 2x plus 1. Pwede natin kunin ang slope ng curve sa point negative 1 and 2. Pag nakuha natin class ang slope ng curve, yun na rin ang slope ng tangent line. Can you follow? So, for slope, for m, how will you solve for m? Actually, class, ang m, slope m is just dy over dx. Diba? Or that is tangent theta. So, saan tayo pwede makahanap ng dy over dx? So, dito, class, no? So, equation ng curve to solve for dy over dx. Alright? So, again, the equation of the curve, may binigay siya, y equals x cubed minus 2x plus 1. Okay, so since we are looking for slope m, meaning dy over dx, so we have to derive y with respect to x. Okay, so the derivative of y with respect to x is dy over dx equals, how will we derive x cubed? Unahin natin muna ang 3, then times may 1 dito class, di ba? Then x, copy, yan, then minus 1. That is the rule of derivation, no? And then, of course, minus. Okay, may 1 dito. So, ang exponent ng x dito is 1. So, lagay dito 1 times, anong number na sa tabi ng x? So, 2. Lagay 2, then x, copy mo 1, then minus 1. Rules ng derivation yan, no? Derivation. And then, plus, the derivative of any constant is equals to 0. So, wala nang x variable dyan. So, constant 1. So, the derivative is 0. I already explained why is that the derivative of constant is equals to 0. So, yan, no? And then, simplifying this one, this is actually class, your dy over dx is actually your slope m. Slope ng ano ito class? This is actually slope of the curve. Can you follow? Hindi pa yan slope ng tangent line. Slope yan ng curve. So again, dy over dx, of simplifying this one, so 3 times 1 is 3, x squared, negative 1 times 2 is negative 2, x to the power of 0, and then again, no, dy over dx is equals to 3x squared minus 2, x to the power of 0 is 1, right? So dy over dx is equals to 3x squared minus 2, which is actually our slope m. Slope ng ano class? Yung ang solve natin class is not the slope of the, no, that is the slope of the what? Of the curve. Slope of the curve yan. So your m is equals to 3x squared minus 2. So yan to class, ito class ang slope ng curve. So ano kaya ang slope ng curve sa point, ano yon, negative 1 and 2. So you will just substitute, no? You will just substitute your x as negative 2 kasi may x dito, no? So your m is equals to 3 times negative 1 square minus 2 m. Okay, negative, that is 3 then 1. And the slope of the curve, kinig class, no? The slope of the curve at point negative 1 and 2 is equals to 1. So, yung point ng 1 and 2 class, yan na ang point ng tangent. Tangent, point of tangency. sa line at saka sa curve. So at this point class, sa point of tangency, ang slope ng curve is just the same with the slope of the tangent line. So meaning, ang slope ng tangent line natin class at negative 1 and 2, ito lang no? The slope ng tangent line natin class is the same as 1. Alright? Pero sa curve, at point negative 1, 2, ang kanyang slope is equals to 1. So meron na tayo, no? Slope ng tangent line is equals to 1. Again, sulat ko ulit kasi dapat ang answer natin daw is in the form of y equals mx plus b. Alright? So, meron na tayong slope m, y equals, ano ba yung m natin class? Diba? 1 times x plus b. So, y is equals to x plus b. Una na lang tayo class ng b. Ano ba ang b? That is y-intercept. Kung saan mag-cross. Pag nandito ang y-axis natin, nandito ang x-axis natin, ang v, nandito class ang b. Diba? Which is 0 ang x, then merong value ng y which is b. So, how will you solve? Okay, so, nasaan yung isang point natin? Nasa negative 1 and 2. Let's say, nandito class ang negative 1 and 2. Assuming, no? So, meron na dalawang point. Ang dalawang point na to class is 1 and 2 and 0 b. So we can already solve for b using the formula for slope m, right? So, di ba? Slope m, sorry. Litan ko, no? Slope m is just rise over run, no? Yan, definition yan ng slope, no? Alright? Our slope m of the tangent line, ano ba ang slope natin ng tangent line? 1, di ba? 1 is equals to, ano ba yung y2 natin? Our y2 is b minus 2 over 0 minus negative 1. Okay, so ano ba ang b natin? Tapos na. Okay, so ano yung b natin? I will remove this one, no? Yan. So ano ang b natin? Anong value ng b natin? Our v is equals to what? Using calculator na lang. Make an equation. B minus 2. Calculator. Diba? 1 alpha equals and then alpha x, okay, minus 1 over 0 minus minus 1, 0 minus negative 1, and then close, may 1, no? And then shift cut, solve for x, and then your x is equals to positive 2. So meaning our b is equals to 2, right? So again, ito na, no, ang equation ng straight line ng tangent line natin, which is y equals, okay, y equals x plus b. Alright? So, kasi na, yung slope natin, no? Slope ng tangent natin is 1. And then y is equals to x. Ano ba ang b natin? Our b is positive 2. So, yan ang equation ng tangent line. Y equals x plus 2. Alright? Okay, so thank you for watching.